in the practice of a medicine or in treating the diseases, right? So in Ayurveda, it's a combination of health diet, then herbs and breathing exercise was involved in Ayurveda in order to get cure from the diseases or the viruses or the infected person. So dear students, in the history of medicine we saw basically the people used to have the natural things in order to get cure from the diseases in the earlier days. Moving further, rise of modern medicine. The next topic is rise of modern medicine, that is invention of new things in the medical field. What are the things that have led to the invention through the ancient medicine or the earlier medicine has given the basic route or basic way in order to find out the new method of treating the diseases in finding out the diseases. So they find out several things. Which are those? Clinical thermometer, stethoscope, X-ray, ultrasound, ECG, CT scan, laser treatment, antibiotics, vaccination. Like this, they have invented many things in order to get advanced and in order to treat the person who has injured or who have been affected by the diseases, and in order to get cure easily and as early as possible, they have invented the things. So there are several usages from these equipments as said, like clinical thermometer, stethoscope and laser treatments and medical imaging like X-ray, ultrasound, ECG, CT scan. So let us see the one by one now. The rise of modern medicine. So between 19th and 12th century, it was witnessed the development of effective methods, that is very advanced methods to diagnose, to identify the diseases which are affected to the human body. Diagnosis is nothing but identification of diseases which are affected to the human body, and the invention of modern medicine also lead to this. So let us find about some of the inventions or the findings that has made the new modern methods or the new modern medical way to cure the people. So first one was clinical thermometer. So who has invented this clinical thermometer? It was invented by a German scientist. His name was Daniel Fahrenheit. Daniel Fahrenheit, a German scientist who invented the clinical thermometer in the year 1714. So in 1714, a German scientist has invented a clinical thermometer, Daniel Fahrenheit. So a clinical thermometer is used for what? Generally, it is going to be used to measure our body temperature. Whenever you get fever and you are going to contact with the clinic doctor. So what happens? The clinical doctor first he checks your body temperature with an instrument. You might be known. So what is that instrument name called? That is called clinical thermometer. So this clinical thermometer will help us to measure the body temperature, human body temperature. And in the clinical thermometer, it is made up of slim glass rod. What is it made up of? Slim glass rod, and which will be filled with the mercury, liquid mercury. Because of this only we can make out the body temperature. What would be the body temperature of a human body? So the normal body temperature has to be around 98.4 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit, and any person whose body temperature is higher than 108 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is where you would have got a fever, we would say generally. So this is how the clinical thermometer is going to help the doctor to identify whether the person is having a fever or not. So it is very useful, right? So a clinical thermometer also has a Celsius scale, and with the help of this clinical thermometer we can check a person's body temperature by placing the thermometer. Where we can use in the what way? So by placing the thermometer in their mouth. or under the armpit, we are going to find out the body temperature of a person. And dear students, you could see in the picture, a clinical thermometer is used to check a person's body temperature. This is the clinical thermometer. You are all been familiar to with this, that is clinical thermometer. So next we'll move on to the know about a stethoscope. A stethoscope is used for what? It is used to listen the sounds of internal body organs. So students, as soon as you go to the any clinic, nearby clinic or to the hospital, when you have some sort of giddiness or illness or some diseases like common fever, cold or headache, you just go to the doctor and contact, and as soon as you enter into the clinic or a hospital, generally the doctor will be having in his hand like an equipment called stethoscope. So what is the use of this stethoscope? The stethoscope is used to listen the sound of your internal body organs. First, they are going to check with the sound of the internal body organs. Which organ? Heart. Such as heart. So, as to identify the problem in the patient's body, they are going to recognize first with the heartbeat. Whether the heartbeat is been normal or not, they are going to check with the help of stethoscope. So this was invented by whom? So it was invented by Dr. Rene Laennec. Rene Laennec. Ranelaennec. Dr. Rene Laennec was invented the stethoscope in the year 1816. So this has made us to record the sounds of the internal body organs or the internal organs which are located in our body, which are placed in our body. It helps in identifying the or knowing the sounds or the working of our internal body. First, we are going to, it helps how to know our heartbeat. So, by these inventions, that is clinical thermometer, stethoscope, it has made the patients to recognize the disease, one thing, and the second thing is it has been helpful in curing the people, second thing, and it has one of the modern way of treating the people who has injured or who has caused any diseases. So dear students, in the next class we will learn what are other inventions that has helped in the medical field in order to get cured by the diseases which are affected by the people or caught to the people. The next class, like what is the use of X-ray, ultrasound, ECG, CT scan, one by one in the next class. Thank you.